Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust your doors so they'll close properly on a BMW E28. So I was having some issues here. What it originally started off as was, I put this tape here temporarily, is this buffer here actually broke off because I had the original and they're just old, it's 30-year-old plastic. So that broke, and it was during the winter, and I'd close this and my door wouldn't shut all the way. So what you can actually do is you can go from, instead of this buffer, which does help, I have it replaced on this side so you can see what it looks like. You can get those for like $4 a kit of, 4 of them, and they'll ship to you in like 8 days. Got a few of those. Replace them on each door. And what I learned, you can actually adjust these door latches here. So you can see how much this moved off of the original glue here. So right now I'm going and actually adjusting this by screwing these off. Screwed already one off here. They're pretty big size head. It's a pretty big screwdriver. Screwing these off and adjusting this and pulling it forward. That way the door latch here, the buffer, will actually work properly. After making some minor adjustments here with the latch, playing with some of these screws here, you unscrew these just a little bit and you can pull this around. When you pull this around, you can start working with trying to shut the door, getting the latches to fit in the right spot. So I wanted to have it line up with the body panel, so I'll show you on the other side here. So it was really loose, and what would happen is the actual part of the door would stick out about, if you look like right here against the body line, the door would stick out to about here. So it'd be really annoying because it wouldn't match up with the body line. So on the other side, you'll see that with this, just about right. And that was just by playing around with these latches in here.